Unlock massive savings at Sam's Club by mastering the Ibotta app. First, let's link your Sam's Club membership to your Ibotta account. Open the Ibotta app and navigate to your account settings. Look for the option to link retailer and select Sam's Club. You'll be prompted to enter your Sam's Club membership number and the email address associated with your account. This step is crucial for automatically applying Ibotta offers to your purchases. Once your membership is linked, it's time to shop smart by browsing available rebates before heading to Sam's Club, or even while you're there. Scroll through the Sam's Club section. Within the Ibotta app, you'll see a variety of products with specific cashback offers. Tap on any product you plan to buy to add its rebate to your account. It's like giving yourself a discount before you even scan at the checkout. At checkout, you have two main ways to get your cash back if you're using a self-checkout or a cashier who scans your Ibotta card. The offers you've added will be automatically applied if you're at a checkout that doesn't support Ibotta card linking. Simply scan your Sam's Club receipt after your transaction is complete. After scanning your receipt, Ibotta will process your purchases and credit your account with the cashback you've earned. You can then withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Venmo, or gift cards. It's that simple. Why Euro shop, scan, and save. Start maximizing your Sam's Club trips today with Ibotta and watch your savings grow.